Hello guys, good evening. Boy Bisaya here. So tonight, the moment that we've all been waiting for is finally here.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
So tonight we'll be doing the Samyang challenge, so also known as Fire Noodle Challenge. And tonight I'm with my brother and my hulat. I'm with my brother and my sister. So yeah, it's been a long time since I wanted to do this challenge, and it's finally here. Supposedly we're gonna do the times for Samyang, but unfortunately it's not available. So we'll do the times to Samyang spicy. Yeah. So the challenge would be, yeah, we'll finish this one without drinking this, and the one who will give up, you know, he or she's gonna lose the challenge. So no more talking, so let's dig into the challenge. Oh my god.
Count down. 10.
So yeah, as I've said, you dig in. You dig in the challenge, you dig in and eat. Oh my god. I'm so scared. Jesus Christ.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
We just started and I feel like it's burning inside. Oh, grabe ka lang, bay. Hinay na lang tayo, hinay. Lapaw ka itong nga. Grabe, bay. Hindi ko kaya ni, bay. I was planning to buy the times 4. And feeling ko this is enough.
Pwede siguro minum tubig, uy.
Ito yung ano. Jipi.
Hindi ko kanta ni bay.
Huwag ko iluwas, sakahan nga ba? Iluwas, iluwas. Nagawa sa mga kanta. Ilong ba?
Maligibot ba na ito, bay? Ano dibuat mga ito eh?
Napasok ang dila. Brain!
Grabe. Pakaon ni bay. Oh, grabe.
Sil, to the rescue. Pwede mga yung back up. Surrender na mo.
Wala na kay Kuba.
Tulog ko si Puan.
See? Wala. Hindi pa nga kami nangalate eh. Lah. Nangurog. Nangurog akong simod ba?
Tagay ko ba?
Dapat man nato rawalot. Pwede magod tubig.
Hadi, surrender ko.
Hindi na nagkaon ano eh.
Alam mo, kayo, ibuka mo ito. Nangurog akong habil.
Liko ko akong simod ah. Liko ko akong simod no.
Sama ka lang.
Di ba na pwede mo inom ng tubig?
Wala.
Dito mag-inom ng tubig.
Give up na? She give up. Murag na parang sa kong simod no.
Oo, nag-lipstick ay.
Sabi, sama kang halang do. Mama! Shaki.
Ito. You want something?
Tubig, guys, ba?
Gusto kang substitute?
Try, substitute. No! Calvin.
Gusto kang substitute, Ben?
Try, Calvin, sab.
Sab ka?
Okay lang, boss.
Ako simod ba ka na? Ni Coco!
Paralyzed. Kaba.
Ay, bye!
Dimboy. Jimber. Surrender. Jimber. Jimber.
Samaray ka na sa marandal sa karani.
Ang dagan man ako gawa na lang ganyan. Naglampa yung... Dagana ba, dagana?
Mamatay ko sa'yo.
See, hindi pa nga ako nangalahati eh.
Ay, ay.
Gosh!
Grabe. Sa akong tagkahan ng
Feels like-
pagmain na na.
My mouth got paralyzed.
Yeah.
Oh!
Ay,
Ay!
pinata kami noto.
22.
Nag-timer ka?
Ulit.
Isa daw, ano?
Instagram.
Oh! Ay. Hirap ka!
Picture.
Suyo, banta ni Bay. Gawin, halala ito.
Sige. Sakit. Kailangan dito eh. Yeah.
Oh, ti, na-cute ko mo, usab. Sorry guys, but the times 4 will not be going to happen. Woo! Yeah,
Boy, boy.
this is worse. Woo! Ito. Wait lang. Yun. Kita siya makahamad. Ito naman, kids challenge, hindi pa simple.
Pwede.
I'm planning to do this for kids, but I doubt you can take it. Again ako.
Yeah, surrender na.
Wait, I'm sorry guys, but I give up. See?
Lahi man yung pagkahalong bay.
Still, I haven't eaten half of it yet, and it looks like it's burning inside, and so it's like my mouth get paralyzed. Well, I give a thumbs up to all those, who passed this challenge, but I'm sorry guys, but we can't take it. I give up. I still give up.
Sa mo tagkahalang ron.
So, siya daw wala.
Ba't ikaw?
Oh, easy.
Kinahalan mo, kinahalan mo ang buso.
Kailangan ako ng urod.
Oh.
Ito.
Oh, hot na.
Ito.
Yan, nag-inom na akong tubig. Wala na ka. Give up na na.
Pwede man ako uminom kayo. Nag-give up naman.
Pili.
Taka naman. Kani.
Sa mo tagkahalang. Sa mo tagkahalang.
It feels like my whole face is like shaking up. Yeah. Actually, I like it, but the spicy is very intense. I can take it. Sige, you can eat one bite. Sige, just eat one bite. You wanna do the challenge? Sige. Sige na, mukbang. Anak, oh, paka.
Good luck.
Good luck. You sit down here.
But burn it in your mouth. Actually, I like it, but kung kaunon bitaw mo siya, niya minom kang tubig. Pag mapait, halang kayo. No
So,
problem.
ito agad sa idol. Ito tanawin now.
Crack.
Nigga! Kaya pumapasok sa ano, siyempre pumapasok. Yung sa parang nahihirapan ako huminga, tapos yung anghang niya parang para maapoy sa mukha ko. Hadang! Hoy! Grabe. Almoranason, magtataan niya eh. Ano, yatak na siya kay if nawasan na because so spicy. It's not yet given up. Woo! Grabe. Oh, drink pa more. Sama ka, giubak ka niya. Tubig pa more. Oh my gosh. Wala ka sa kuha. Why are you... Ah, my bobs! No.
The little ones want ice.
Sama ka, doon mo?
Ice! Ice!
Ang dali, uy.
Nah, it's been like 2 months already. Oh, pili rin siya. Walang nanalo. Huh. So, eat the ice cream. Sorry, loser. So,
At least ako nagdaog.
hindi ba yung daog? Wala ba yung daog? Wala man manurot.
Lahat ng tulo ba?
You have any final words?
You must try so that you can feel what I feel.
Come like... That's all?
Subukan nyo guys. Talagang parang masusunog talaga yung dila nyo. Gusto ko talagang itry yun eh. Kaya nung tinry ko, na-feel ko talaga yung na-feel nung napanood ko sa YouTube. So, that's all.
Lami man ta, pero grabe lang itahalang. Tapos ang pagkawa na magkaon kay after sa mafili mong kahalan sa dila, nasa dun sa tiyan.
Mamara to? Hello guys. So they gave their final words regarding the challenge. So mine would be, it was freaking hard. I thought I can do it, but unfortunately I wasn't able to finish the challenge because it's feel like, you know, it's burning inside your mouth and goes to your esophagus, lungs, and all the way to your stomach. And I feel like I can breathe, and I thought my mouth, my mouth get paralyzed. It was, being paranoid. So the reason why I gave up, because I can't take it anymore. The more I put some noodles inside my mouth, the more I can hardly breathe. So I gave up. I salute all those people who did the challenge well. So I salute you guys, and that's pretty much of it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and there will be couple more challenges to come. So stay tuned, and if you guys want us to do some more challenges, or maybe video reactions, you should just comment down below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And also you can send me a message on my FB account or FB profile, so FB page, and as well as on my Instagram. So again, thank you so much guys for watching this video. You guys have a good night, and goodbye. Boy, be sad.
With all your power and love, take us a level.